or Neovim? Which one is actually better for developers in 2026? Both are extremely powerful, but they sit on opposite ends of the coding experience. One is visual and beginner friendly. The other is fast, minimal, and keyboard driven. Choosing the wrong one could completely change your productivity. First, let's talk about VS Code. VS Code is a modern, feature-rich editor with a graphical interface, extensions, built-in debugging, Git support, and AI tools. It's designed to be easy to use right away, even for beginners. You can customize it heavily, but it already works great out of the box. Now let's look at Neovim. Neovim is a modern version of the classic Vim editor. It runs inside the terminal and is built for speed and efficiency. Everything is controlled through the keyboard, and with the right configuration, it becomes a lightweight but extremely powerful development environment. The biggest difference is approach. So which one is better? If you want an easy-to-use editor with powerful features and minimal setup, VS Code is the better choice. If you want maximum speed, full keyboard control, and highly customizable workflow, Neovim is the stronger option. VS Code versus Neovim. Now you know which editor fits your workflow in 2026. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more developer tool comparisons just like this.